Why this interdisciplinary interface becomes a necessity and of one of paramount importance in a project. So the weakness in one discipline can seriously impact and affect the other discipline's progress in a project. So sometimes we may feel that as an electrical disciplines we are working in a silo and we are responsible and we are whole and soul responsible for the delivery of electrical deliveries of a project. But from the overall project perspective, no department can work in silo in a project, but the only option is to work in hand for the smooth execution of a project. What I mean by that is that no departments can work in silo. Some department needs input from another department and needs to process that input, and maybe the output generated by that department becomes the input of another department. So it's a cyclical process wherein each and every department contributes, collaborates, and finally delivers a particular delivery for a project. So the progress-wise weakness can impact in producing the deliverables in a timely manner. Yes, if proper interdisciplinary coordination is not happening, then definitely the schedule of the project will be impacted as the timelines will hamper. In producing documentation without incompletion holds. So definitely for a civil or structural drawing, the input with respect to electrical, whatever we have to give it. Otherwise, that would become a hold point, and the document cannot be issued for the final construction by keeping so many holds in that drawing. So in that way, the delivery of the drawing or deliverable will get impacted, affecting the overall engineering quality. So definitely any good organization would always be responsible for very high quality delivery as per the ISO standardization perspective. So any holds, any delays in schedule, any wrong delivery, any misinformation document can lead to a serious quality issue. So that is something has to be taken care, which is done through interdisciplinary interface. Affecting the project progress, which cause for schedule impact, which is almost mapped with the first point. So any delay, any quality issue, any inappropriate information or data, or any hold points in any deliverable will definitely going to impact the schedule and overall project progress for a particular project.